Jeff has a $10 super chat. Thank you very much. Jeff says, you focus on 5 elements. Masada Yub focuses on ability, opportunity, jeopardy. Very close related. Why is one better than the other? Have you ever done a show with Moss? Yes, I've done lots of shows with Moss. I had Moss on my show just recently, within the last 3 weeks, I think. And the only reason I ever got into use of force law at all is because I took Moss's, what he then called his Lethal Force Institute 1 course. Now he calls it MAG 40, a 40-hour course of instruction about half classroom work, half range work. And it blew my mind because he covered the legal aspects of use of force in a way that I'd never been exposed to in 3 years of law school. And it completely changed my career path. And I mean, what modest success I have today is because I get to stand on the shoulders of a guy like Masa Ayub, who, by the way, wrote the foreword to my book, which you can get for free at lawselfdefense.com/free book. A real book, folks, not a BS PDF download, a real physical book. Look at the reviews on Amazon, 1,200 plus reviews, 5-star rated, but don't buy it on Amazon. Amazon will charge you $25 plus shipping and handling. We'll eat the cost of the book. We only ask that you cover the shipping and handling, the cost of getting the book to you. And you can get this at lawofselfdefense.com/free book. So when Moss or other instructors, they focus on ability, opportunity, jeopardy. And that's great. That's wonderful. I talk about ability, opportunity, and jeopardy too. But we call it the AOJ triad, ability, opportunity, jeopardy. But what AOJ really represents is one of these 5 elements, the element of imminence. Imminence meaning the threat you're defending yourself against is either in progress or immediately about to occur. Now, if you're getting a beat down, you know it's in progress, right? That's not hard to evaluate. If it's immediately about to occur, that can be more ambiguous, right? Because nothing's happening yet. And the law doesn't require you to wait. The law allows you to defend yourself before the blow strikes, before the bullet's fired. The law allows you to defend yourself against a threat that's immediately about to occur. You don't have to wait to get shot first. But how do you evaluate whether or not a threat is imminent? Well, a great framework for doing that is this AOJ triad, ability, opportunity, jeopardy. Does that potential aggressor have the ability to cause you harm? Do they have the opportunity to bring that ability to bear? And jeopardy is, does their conduct that you're observing suggest they intend to do that? If those 3 conditions are met, you have an imminent threat. But imminence is one of the 5 elements. There's still innocence, proportionality, avoidance, and reasonableness. Now, instructors who focus on AOJ, what they're really doing is they're presuming that the law-abiding students in their class are just automatically going to meet these other conditions, that they will not have been the aggressor in the fight, so they'll meet innocence, that they won't get in a fight they could have safely walked away for, so they'll satisfy avoidance, that they won't use deadly force unless they're facing a deadly force threat, so they'll satisfy proportionality, that they're going to conduct themselves in a reasonable way. Well, if you presume that innocence, proportionality, avoidance, and reasonableness, if you just presume they exist, then all you need to worry about is imminence. And if all you're worrying about is imminence, then all you need to talk about is AOJ. But I work a lot of use of force cases involving normal law-abiding people that screw up, not on imminence, but on one of those other elements. So I think personally, it's a mistake to just presume that they're present. You're vulnerable on every single one of these 5 elements. So you need to master them all. But when instructors are focusing on AOJ, what they're doing is they're really only addressing the element of imminence. That's how that works. And that's not enough. But in fairness, when I cover all 5 elements in my Law Self-Defense Advanced course, which, by the way, the next one is taking place on April 15th. April 15th, here it is. April 15th, if you sign up for this is a full day course taught live by me over Zoom. We only teach this once, maybe twice a year. If you sign up for this course this month in January, it's 50% off pre-registration, 50% off the normal price. If you sign up next month in February, it's 25% off. In March, it's 10% off. In April, it's just full price. So if you're at all interested, and I know people in the comments have taken this course. So if those of you who've taken the course in the past would like to say nice things about it in the comments to encourage people to sign up, that's always appreciated. You can learn more about this course, the Saturday, April 15th course at lawofselfdefense.com/advanced. and sign up now and save 50% off the normal tuition. But when I teach that course and I cover all 5 elements, it's a 7-hour course. So if someone's teaching a 1-day self-defense course, they may have a lot of things to cover other than the legal aspects, right? Maybe they're doing marksmanship. Maybe they're doing trauma care. Maybe they're doing, I don't know, various tactical things. So they don't have 6-7 hours to cover all 5 elements. So they have maybe half an hour or an hour for the legal stuff. So they focus on imminence, arguably the most ambiguous of the 5 elements. And they just presume that the other elements will be satisfied by the law-abiding people in their course.